Hello and welcome to my video on using AutoGraph to help increase students' understanding of a topic or concept. My video is on quadratics. This lesson should increase pupils' understanding of A, what a quadratic is, B, the effects of altering A, B and C in the equation y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and C, the effect of some simple transformations on a graph. So first thing I'm going to do is insert a picture, and this picture is a Dan Meyer picture. There's also an accompanying video, and on his website blog.mrmeyer.com, and you can see there I've added some transparency to it. 30% I find is just nice. It means we can see the actual axes, and also the picture is still good enough quality. So as you can see, I am just centering the first basket on the origin. I like that just to make our graph nice and simple to start with. So I'm just dragging the graph across there, and then of course going to enter an equation, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. I'm going to edit the constants as we have seen in your videos before to 0. This is a nice starting point, nice thick red line there, and I'm going to leave that there, and we're then going to drag across the constant controller. Basically this is the screen that the students would bring up to start with. They wouldn't be creating any of the transparency. These are all set up, and just as a quick example you can see some other ones there. So the whole idea is that they basically have a play about with these graphs, and they get to see what A is and the effect of A. I like to have them a bit of pad and paper just to see the actual effects of it. And you can see, obviously I'm going to be much quicker at it than them because I know my quadratic graph's much better, and I'd like to think anyway. Moving it around, and you know, I find this a great package just for even looking at what they are going to do. That looks good to me. So pretty accurate there. I mean, there can be some discrepancy, so they can see from there, and this is a great hook to the lesson. They see the video. Is he going to shoot the basket? Well, from this, assuming we're pretty accurate, it looks like he is just going to sneak in that basket. So there they are. Get a real good appreciation of what a quadratic graph is. As I said, there's plenty of those. There's actually a few more that I've actually got. There's actually 7 in total, which is great. The other added advantage is that we can also move the graph, so we could actually move the graph and then obviously then go into our constants for this one, because we're now on take 3, and adjust it accordingly and see very clearly where it's going to cross. So fantastic tool, I've got to say, a brilliant package. And I also use it to actually find out an equation of a graph. I mean, I've used this for plotting quadratics. Obviously I use it to find the equation of the graph, and then I would give them a snapshot and get them to say where is the bird going to hit. I mean, this is Angry Birds, a very popular, the most populated downloaded game of all time as far as I understand it, and I've created about 5 of these where they actually work out where the bird's going to hit and then download the clip from YouTube and they see the answer. So that's it. That is how I use AutoGraph, and I just think it's a really good, great real life example, and they get to find out what happens when they alter A, B and C. Okay, thank you and goodbye.